This is Ebony, and she's going to decide for me which candle of the week she likes best, which apparently is none. Alright, well, let's go to our second guest judge. This is Aria, and she always hangs out with me while I have the candles going, so let's see what she thinks. So here we have from Bath & Body Works, Coastal Sun, Blackberry Bramble, and Honeysuckle. So guest judge, which do you think is our winner for the week? I know it's a hard choice. So we got Coastal Sun. Not doing it for you. Blackberry Bramble. Okay. And Honeysuckle. Okay, well that's definitely not our winner. So Coastal Sun. No. Blackberry Bramble. Tough decision. It looks like there is no clear winner today. Well then, I guess it's a tie between Coastal Sun and Blackberry Bramble. Do you like to come offer a second opinion? What do you think? We have Honeysuckle, Coastal Sun, and Blackberry Bramble. What's your favorite? Which one do you like? Huh? Coastal Sun? That's the one she's been most interested in. Blackberry Bramble? No. And Honeysuckle? No. Coastal Sun? Well, I guess each one is good in their own rights, but cats make terrible judges. So thanks for watching, and maybe we'll have the dog do it next week.